The fifth installment in Pirates of the Caribbean series releases next Friday, next week, and all the fans in India are of course very excited. Well, now you have one more reason to be even more excited because dubbing for Jack Sparrow is the Bollywood actor with one of the Bollywood actor with the most impeccable comic timing, Mr. Arshad Varsi. Hi Arshad. So how did this happen? You're taking a new route and
no, nothing like that. Yeah, it's actually very simple. I was offered, and I was asked whether I would like to dub, but I've not dubbed for anybody or anybody else but myself. So wasn't very interested because it's like added unnecessary work for me. But then I was told it was for Disney, Pirates of the Caribbean, and Jack Sparrow. So I was like, yes, this I would love to do. So yeah, it's purely that. Purely, I just thought for me it is one of the best, one of the finest characters that are there in cinema. Then the fact is, it has a combo, this character particularly has a combo of two of the most difficult form of acting, which is one is playing drunk and one is humor. So this is a combo of humor and drunk together. And the last actor who actually pulled this off really well was Dudley Moore in a film called Arthur. A fab job he did. And I think after that, I would say it is Jack Sparrow, who is this drunk person that we thoroughly enjoy watching. So for me it was great. It was a challenge to do something that I've never done something like that. So yeah, it was good.
was it an opportunity to go method acting or?
Oh please, I'm not. I don't believe in method acting really. I just fail to understand that concept called method acting. No, you don't need to do that. So it was purely acting.
Acha, what pointers did you have to keep in mind that I'm dubbing for Jack Sparrow?
See, for me, the one thing, I mean, yeah, okay. The fact is, when you dub, okay, when anybody dubs, or when we see a film that is dubbed, it just sounds very different from the point, the voice and the performance just don't seem to gel. It's usually two different identity. You know, that's what really happens. I wanted to bridge that. I didn't want that to happen. I wanted you to feel that it is Jack Sparrow speaking. It is him. It is him. So that was my biggest challenge, and for me that was most important. That it should not jar when you. So I hopefully what people have seen it and they've felt it and all. This is the comment that I've got from most of the people who've seen it. Is that it looks like it is Johnny Depp speaking. It looks like it is not dubbed, that's what I wanted. So yes, it is dubbed. Yes, the lips don't match very well, but I've tried to come as close as possible to it. I've not imitated or mimicked Johnny Depp's voice, but it's my voice, but say if I was doing Jack Sparrow, this is how probably I would be. This is how my drunk person would be. So yes, it sounds really interesting.
Okay, what was your personal input? Like, have you seen the Baywatch का हिंदी ट्रेलर? वहाँ पे प्रियंका चोपड़ा बोलती है चलना कटरीना.
No, I haven't seen that.
Yeah, that was like her own input. Like,
I'm sure it is, obviously.
What was something?
See, I did. I put in. There's lots actually. What happens is that you can't translate English into Hindi.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, because English humor is different, Hindi humor is different. So when you directly translate it, it doesn't sound funny. So I had to translate it and make it funny. So therefore I had to change it. So yes, I did that. I did a lot of places. The English, changed it, kept the essence of the scene, but changed the dialogues and made it Indian.
Can't wait to watch it. Any funny moment you want to tell us from?
Fun? No, I mean, I was in the studio, and yeah, but I think if somebody took a recording of me, they would think I'm mad, because I was dubbing with my eyes closed and my hands moving all over the place. So if anybody sees a video of me dubbing, they think, what the hell is he doing? Is he mad or something? What's wrong with him? Because my eyes are closed and I'm going, I'm doing like that. So yeah, I dubbed with my eyes closed most of the time.
Okay, one dialogue you were stuck at कि भैया ये तो नहीं हो पा रहा, बहुत funny है ये.
नहीं हो रहा था, but एक डायलॉग जो मुझे काफ़ी funny लगा वो ये था कि there was a sequence जॉनी डेप को गिलिटिन होने, उसे गला कटने वाला है और वो गला कटने वाला है और वहाँ पे उसकी मुंडी गिरेगी. तो obviously where his head's going to fall, the guys put a little basket. That's the normal thing. Next to a guillotine where the man's head is, a basket is put so the head falls into the basket. So same thing, he's lying like that and the basket is put and there is 2 cut head already lying there.
Yeah.
So Johnny Depp looks into the head and he tells the guy, he says, okay, there are already 2 heads inside here, which is the English version. So what I did was we changed it to the thing comes and the character looks inside and he says that मुझे भीड़ पसंद नहीं है. Because there's only 2 heads, that is like, I don't know, it will be too crowded with 3 heads inside. So it's like that. तो उस तरह की चीजें हैं.
So more of that in Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, what was the kids' reaction over?
You know, my kids, you know how kids are, no? They really don't understand things. So for them, they know, they're not familiar, but they're dubbing Hindi वगैरह. उनको नहीं पता कि they don't realize कि English film में भी हैं जो हिंदी ऑडियंस देखना चाहिए. So when I told them, I said, you know what, I'm dubbing for Pirates of the Caribbean and I'm dubbing for Jack Sparrow. So my son says, why? So I'm like, dude, why? This is actually the most logical question. Why are you doing this? He's fine. He's done a good job. Why do you want to do it? Then I said, no, darling, it's for the Indian audience, the people who don't speak English. For them, I've spoken in Hindi so that they also can enjoy the film. Ah, okay. So I said, would you like to see the Hindi version? Yeah, okay. We'll check it. Yeah, it's like that.
That's cute. Okay, what else is happening in terms of work?
I think Golmaal is happening right now. Yeah. Golmaal is going on. Got 2 more months and publish and promotion and Diwali is the release of Golmaal, and then I'm hoping that Munna Bhai starts, which it's supposed to, because let's put it this way, there's Munna Bhai and there is Dhamal. So the Dhamal part 4, I think 3, Dhamal part 3, Munna Bhai part 3, Golmaal part 4. So yeah, that's what's happening.
Okay. So Parineet and Tabu are in addition to the cast.
Oh yeah.
Are you guys playing pranks on them?
No, not really. I mean, a little bit happens here and there. Ajay does it. Ajay is the one who does all these things. But it's just a pleasure having them around. Extremely fond of both of them. Tabu is somebody I know before well, and she's absolutely adorable. And Parineet is another one. I completely have fallen in love with her. She's cute, a sweet girl, full of life, and wonderful person to have around.
Okay, I have a few famous dialogues by Jack Sparrow. Would you want to say this?
Okay, what do you want? You read it or I'll say it? You want me to say it in Hindi or in English?
English.
Done.
Not all treasure is silver and gold, mate.
Not all treasure is silver and gold, mate.
So powerful.
Yeah.
If you choose to lock your heart away, you'll lose it for sure.
If you choose to lock your heart away, you will what?
You'll lose it for sure.
You will lose it for sure. बस रे इतना काफी है.
Okay.
2 काफी है.
Yeah.
4 हो जाएगी public.
So super excited for Pirates of the Caribbean,
Yeah.
especially the Hindi dub version.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the producers are going to replace Johnny Depp with Arshad Wasi.
Yeah, we'll have a
We
great
hope
time.
so. And to have Arshad Wasi for us, thank you so much.
Thank you being here. Thank you.